Hi students, good morning to everyone. Our running chapter is 9 multiplication of numbers. 9 multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of numbers. Yes. Friends, now page number 82. Question 7th one. Of the three multiplication given in each row, one has a different answer. Here, one has a different answer. Identify it, and draw circle. Draw circle around it. One example is given. In this question, three multiplications given in each row. One has a different answer. Identify it and draw a circle around it. One example is given. First example is 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 5 into 4. The example, now A1, B1, C1. First one is example. Now find the product of 4 into 3, or 4 is multiplied by 3. Read 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Next, 6 into 2, or 6 is multiplied by 2, or 6 times of 2. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Next, 5 into 4, 5 is multiplied by 4, or 5 times of 4. Now read 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. And from this row, 4 threes are 12, 6 twos are 12, 5 fours are 20. Which one is different from these three? 12, 12, 20. Which one is different? 5 fours are 20 is different. Put circle around it. This is the example. Now question A. Question A. 2 into 8. 2 into 8. 4 into 4. 3 into 4. Question A. 2 into 8. 4 into 4. 3 into 4. Now find the product of 2 into 8. 2 is multiplied by 8, or 2 times of 8. Now read 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. Now second one, 4 into 4 or 4 times of 4 or 4 is multiplied by 4. Now 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16. Now 3 into 4, 3 times of 4, 3 is multiplied by 4. Now read 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. In question A, now all of us see this product, 2 8s are 16, 4 fours are 16, 3 fours are 12. From these 3, which one is different? 16, 16, 12. From these 3 products, which one is different? 12 is different. 3 fours are 12 is different. For different one, put circle around it. Yes, now we have finished A1. Next, we are going to solve B1. B1 is 6 6 7 6 9 4 Question B, 6 6 7 6 9 4 Yeah, 6 into 6 6 is multiplied by 6 6 times of 6. Question B, first one, 6 into 6. Now read 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 6 are 36. Now we got product of 6 and 6 is 36. Next, 7 6 7 is multiplied by 6. 7 times of 6 or 7 into 6. 7 into 6. Now we read 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 6 are 42. Our product is 42. 7 times of 6 is 42. Next, 9 fours are 9 into 4. 9 is multiplied by 4 or 9 times of 4. Now read 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. Our product is 36. From B, from all products, 36, 42, 36. From these 3, which is different one? 42 is different one. We put circle around 7 into 6. Why? This is a different one. Comparing with 36, 36, 42. 42 is different one. That is 7 into 6. Now finally, question C1. Question C. 8 fives are 8 threes are 6 fours are. Question C. 8 fives are 8 threes are 6 fours are. First one, 8 fives are 8 times of 5 or 8 into 5. 8 is multiplied by 5. Now read 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. Our product is 40. Product of 8 and 5. 8 fives are 40. Next, 8 threes are or 8 times of 3 or 8 into 3 or 8 is multiplied by 3. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 3s are 24. Our product is 24. Next, 6 4s are 6 into 4, 6 times of 4, 6 is multiplied by 4. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. From question C, our answers are, our products are 40, 24, 24. From these three, which is a different one? 40 is different one. 8 5s are 40 is different one. We put a circle around 8 into 5. Which one is different one from these three? 40 is different one. This is the question 7th. Now question B, page number 82. Dear children, before going these problems, all of you read tables very well. Daily you have tables. Read tables thoroughly. Without tables, you can't do anything in this multiplication of numbers. Tables are very, very important in this chapter. Now, question number 8. All of read the question number 8, page number 82. Question number 8 also depending on tables. Now, I will explain everything and I will read tables also in front of you. Number 8. Fill in the blank boxes with the correct number. Fill in the blank boxes with the correct number. Correct number. One example. 3 into 4 is equal 4 into 3. Why? 3 4s are 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Okay, na? From other side, 4 into 3. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Yes, from both sides, we have same answer. From both sides, we have same answer. 12 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are also 12. Both sides, we have same answer. Then we put equal sign. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Now, question A. Dear children, all of listen, question A. 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is equal 6 into box. 6 into box. We have fill up this box. We have to fill up this box by a correct number. First, we read 5 tables. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. Yes. Now, next other side, 6 into, we don't know what is the number in this box. Read 6 table. Read 6 table up to getting 30. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. Yes, 6 is multiplied by 5. 6 into 5 6 times of 5 is 30. in the blank box, we should write 5. 6 5s are 30. Or here 5 is there, 6 is there. From left side, 5 is there, 6 is there. Right side also 6 and 5. 5 and 6. Here 6, here 6. And here 5 and here 5. 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30. Now question B. Question B. 2 into 5. 2 into 5. One side 2 into 5. In other side, we have two empty boxes. We have two empty boxes. First, we find the product of from one side. Here 2, here 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. In our previous problem, 3 into 4, 4 into 3. 3 into 4, 4 into 3. 5 into 6, 6 into 5. Means numbers have changes. Numbers are changed by their places. 2 5s are. 2 5s are 10. Now read 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 5 2s are 10. Means 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Now question C. Box into box. Product of two boxes is 8 into 7. 8 into 7. From left side, we have two empty boxes. Right side, we have two boxes filled by numbers. That is 8 and 7. Now read 8 table. 8 1 are 8. 8 2 are 16. 8 3 are 24. 8 4 are 32. 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7 are 56. 8 7 are 56. In this question 8, before C, we have finished example A and B. In these three cases, just given numbers are changed by their places. 3 into 4, 4 into 3. That is example. Question A, 5 into 6, 6 into 5. That is question A. Now question B, 2 into 5, 5 into 2. Here also we change numbers by their places. 8 7 are 56. Now read 7 table. 7 8 are 56. 7 1 are 7. 7 2 are 14. 7 3 are 21. 7 4 are 28. 7 5 are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7 are 49. 7 8 are 7 into 8 56. 8 7 are 56. 7 into 8. 7 8 are also 56. Yes. From both sides we have same answer 56 56. Same answer means product of same number 7 into 8 and 8 into 7. Now question D. This is the final one from question 8. Okay. I will drop only example and A1. Now final question D1 from A. Here number 3 into a box, we don't know what is the number in this box, is equal to 9 into 3. Yes. Other side, left hand side, we have empty box. In right side, two boxes are filled by numbers or digits. Read. First find this product. 9 into 3. Read 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27. From left side, we have one empty box, that is multiplication with 3, read 3 table up to getting 27. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Yes, 3 9s are 27. 3 into 9. 3 into 9. In this empty box, we write our correct answer is 9. 3 9s are 27. 9 3s are also 27. Yes. In this question, we read so many tables for solving A, B, C, D problem. Product of any two numbers. We can multiply any two numbers in any order. We can multiply 2 or more than 3 numbers in any order. 3 9s are 27, 9 3s are 27. Okay, children, this is the question 8. Now question 9, that is the matching. Matching. Two plus 2. 9 into 3. 2 into 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Number of wheels of 6 bicycle. Number of wheels of 6 bicycles and 3 into 5. Yes. First answer is 27. 6 into 3. 12. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 into 2. 3 into 2. These are answers. Now matching. From left side, we have to match with correct answer from the right side. First one, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Yeah, 2 repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2 repeated 4 times. 4 times. 2 repeated 4 times means 4 into 2. 2 repeated 4 times. 4 into 2. Next, 9 3s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 27. 9 3s are 27. Now, question number 3, 2 into 3. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3 ja. Answer is 2 3 ja 6. We need 6. See already it is finished. It is finished. 6 1 next one 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18. 12 no 4. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15 no 4 into 2 8 over. 3 2 ja 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. Yes. 2 3 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. This is a matching. Now here 3 repeated 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 times. 3 repeated 6 times. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Here 3 repeated 6 times. 6 into 3. Now number of wheels of 6 bicycle. 1 bicycle has 2 wheels. 1 bicycle has 2 wheels. There are how many bicycles? 6. 6 means 2 times of 6. 2 6 are 12 or 6 2 are 12. 1 bicycle has 2 wheels. Here number of wheels of 6 bicycles. 6 bicycles means 6 into 2. One bicycle has 2 wheels. Number of bicycles 6. 6 into 2. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. Where is the 12? This one is 12. 6 is a 12. Now final one. 3 into 5. 3 5 ja 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. From the right side, we have only one answer is empty, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Or here 5 repeated 3 times. 5 repeated 3 times. 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Yes. 15 and 15. This is the matching. Yes. We have finished. 9th question, matching. Okay, children. We have finished this chapter, that is 9 multiplication of numbers. Okay, children, all of you read tables. Here daily you have to read tables. Without tables you can't do anything in multiplication of numbers. Next chapter also depending on multiplication. At least you read tables from 2 to 9. Okay, children, goodbye to everyone. Again we meet in our next class. Thank you, children.